Construction today is more complicated than ever before. To complete quality work safely, dozens of teams must work as one to deliver one plan, one project, one vision. Realizing that vision begins by bringing teams together, from design to plan, from build to operate. Connected teams collaborate seamlessly and securely with powerfully simple, purpose-built solutions. And project data needs to be more than just accurate. It needs to be connected, connecting workflows to drive better, faster decisions. Decisions which can mean the difference between profit and loss. Decisions which lead to insights. Insights that work around the clock to monitor and escalate risk. Connected teams, connected workflows, connected data. This is the new possible in construction. This is Autodesk Construction Cloud.